Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. You heard that right, scalp maxing series, which means we go in and out of trades super fast. Now, today guys, market is chopping, but that doesn't mean we don't skip out on taking trades. There's no excuse for why you're not taking a trade unless you just don't see your trade setup. Now, for the first few hours of the market being open, I didn't see no trade, so I didn't take anything. I actually thought I was not gonna take any trades today, but we managed to take one trade, and let me show you guys the live trade, as well as we're gonna break it down right after to show you guys why I entered, what candlestick showed me the confirmation to enter, because guys, again, understand, you have to learn how to read price action. Price action is candlesticks. It's not indicators. Indicators rely on the previous price action to give you an idea of where the momentum is heading next, or this is a pullback retest, whatever. Indicators is not the way to tell price action. Candlestick is literally reflecting the price action. It is reflecting what buyers and sellers are doing. If you can read candlesticks, then you can read where the next move is. Essentially what I just did here. So let's watch this and I'm gonna break it down for you. Real simple. So between 5 of my accounts, being 3 fundeds and 2 evaluations, I made $207.50, guys. Now off one single trade. But with that being said, really, it's $41 times 5 accounts. Now, what trade did I take? How did I know to enter? And more specifically, how can you read candlesticks to also identify trades like this as well? Guys, candlesticks is king. Believe it or not. Robinhood, doesn't matter what, Coinbase, pop up any damn brokerage, any damn trading account, any damn whatever it is. It always has a candlestick being formed on your chart every single time. If you don't know how to read candlesticks, then you're already losing. So with all that being said, let's break this down, guys. Buyers step on it. So look at this. The moment the market even opens, buyers take control right away. Boom, buyers, big fat buyer candle. Then a little bit of indecision, but then buyers take control until sellers majorly sell off. Of course, just reading that, there's nothing to trade. I'm not sure why people do trade the first 15 minutes of market being open. But continuing on, you can see, comes down to this most previous Fibonacci retracement level, which it held most previously in the pre-market before. Bounces nicely, continues on a small, little, ugly trend to the upside. But then again, sellers take control a little bit here. But then what do buyers do? You can see it reflects on the candlestick here, which is why candlesticks is king. A massive fat buyer candle. Then buyers take control. Again, another indication that buyers are trying to take control. And you can see this candle here is the breakout of this most previous recent candle. Now, not necessarily this one over here, but it's this one right here. Now, reading candlesticks again, you can see a long wick to the downside, indicating that buyers are stepping in and they took control. So what did I do? I entered one contract. As you guys saw during the live trade, managed to hold through all the noise. Sell here, and again, just reading price action or reading candlesticks, look at this candle here. Strong amount of volume, small amount of sellers on the next candle, and look at this big buy. I'm very certain this candle is most likely going to continue on up again, just reading candlesticks. That's how simple it is. That's how simple reading candlesticks is. A lot of people want to overcomplicate it and be like, man, what I notice a lot of people do is they don't care about none of this price action here. They just wait for something called a fair value gap. Again, they don't read none of these candlesticks here. They don't care about this hammer here. They don't care about this massive buy candle here. They don't care about these long wicks here. None of that matters to them. All they wait for, and what I noticed, is a very specific set of candles. Guys, if you can learn how to read candlesticks, you can catch moves like this. You can catch moves like that. Now, today is not the best day, but I promise you, a lot of people lost today. And I'm just showing you guys how simple it is to manage your risk, as well as even trade daily, post daily, and not hide away. 5 weeks live, let's continue on. Notice the difference. Notice the difference, guys. I'm not waiting for a specific 3 set of candles to print. I'm not waiting for a specific little random set of candles to print. I'm literally reading each specific candle, each candle actually, to identify where the market is heading towards next. That is true technical analysis. That is real reading of price action, which is why I named my academy Prodigy's Academy, so that I can short abbreviate it for PA, which really means price action. Because guys, what I teach in my academy is straight up price action. None of this bull crap of wait for this divergence to hit this SMT, sweep liquidities, all that bullshit. This is true trading of reading candlesticks, keeping it very simple, reading what is given to you. Literally just candlesticks and volume. I don't care about no indicators, no fancy terms, no terminology. Very simple candlesticks, that's it. Because guess what? If you can learn how to read candlesticks and then you decide to maybe move to a little bit more advanced, like maybe throw on an indicator, maybe use volume shelf, volume profile, use these other things that can be an advantage. Of course you can make more money. Of course you can add a little bit more edge. But this is my edge. At one point I did overcrowd my chart. At one point I did have 3 indicators on. At one point I was watching too many things, but now I keep it simple. That is my whole system. My system in trading is simple. I keep it so simple, don't overcomplicate it, and that's what keeps me spotting very simple trades and being confident when I take a trade. I mean, who wants to enter a trade and they're unsure? Like, oh, is this my setup? Is this good? Bro, I enter a trade and I'm certain. I enter a trade, even if I lose, I'm certain this is my trade setup. This is exactly how I trade. Every single time I enter a trade like this, typically, when it goes in my favor, I make some good money. That's how I trade. Yes, you lose some. You don't win every single trade, but you have to learn how to lose, which is the next step. So anyways, guys, look, if you guys want to be a part of the community or even learn, some of you beginners out there, be part of the team. We can go live one-on-one. I go live every single day. I've been going live for 5 weeks. I believe this is going to be the 6th week coming up here soon. Let's keep going. Let's keep continuing on. Have a great day.